Well, I've run into a conundrum while plowing. That, my little baby plow can't get over that. Solid ice. So, I gotta get creative to get it out. Using a Pulaski. And that is my wood splitter. Yeah, fun. I did some already. Alright, this is where I embarrass myself by showing you me using a Pulaski. Like I said, embarrassing myself. Alright, this is take 2. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself when I use my Pulaski on the ice wall. Progress. And now, even though I've made progress, still gotta use a shovel to dig out. Because living in the mountains is fun. Well, I've made progress. I've chiseled away almost half, but unfortunately, the ground is mostly solid too. Progress. My little baby plow can hopefully get through it. Ideally, when you're doing this, you want to wear eye pro, but it's getting dark and my sunglasses are fogging up, so don't do what I'm doing. Okay, so progress. See? Fucker's like 5 feet tall. Fuck if I know. And I don't know, 10 feet wide. So I'm making progress. But some of that is still ice. Just gonna try to see if I can squeeze through. Push this. Probably won't. Probably have to dig down more. Yeah. We'll see if this video works. I'm really bad at making videos of myself. And I'm wearing steel toe boots, in case you're wondering. Yay, soft snow. Hard snow. See? Hard snow. Hard snow sucks. Okay. See my progress? Oh, also, since I'm technologically moronic, my battery died on me because it's 18 degrees outside and phones don't like that. But I made a hole. I think I'm ready to try plowing through it. It's pretty deep. I guess we'll see. Alright, moment of truth. I don't know if I can drive and do this at the same time. I guess we'll find out. Ooh, almost. I made it over. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. It's a shit show, and I really got to clean it up. Oh, there. Sorry. Yeah, I really got to clean that up. But I'll push it that way. It's so cold. My vitamin water's freezing in chunks. So, update. My pile is still solid ice, and my plow can't do it. So I've been shoveling it by hand. Now, bring out the Pulaski again. So instead of being like a 5-foot tall pile, it's like a 10-foot tall pile. I still got like 2 or 3 feet to go. Progress update. I'm really fucking tired, but I'm getting there. Alright. I have shoveled all of this by hand with the Pulaski and the shovel. Still got a little bit left. Not yet. Damn it. I'm getting tired. I even started to cry. I'm so tired. You ready for this? Bam, motherfuckers. I did it. It only took me like 4 hours of digging with the goddamn Pulaski and shovels. But I did it. I only got half the wall done. And it's a good 5.5 foot wall. I did it. I did it. I don't want to drink now.